So hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to avail the free trial of After Effects. So let's begin the video. So first of all, open any browser available in your desktop and search for After Effects. Here in the top you can see download Adobe After Effects. Click on that site and then choose free trial. Now if you want to purchase for business, students and teachers, you can change from here. I'm purchasing for an individual, just select the individual and then choose the subscription plan after the trial ends. And if you want to add a 7 days free trial of Adobe stock, you can check mark this box and after that click on continue. Here you can see due now 0 and after the trial ends your subscription will be started. If you just want to avail the free trial only, then you have to just cancel the subscription before the free trial ends. So after that click on continue. And here you have to add your email address in which you have logged into your After Effects. And after entering your email address, click on continue, add your card details, and you will be successfully avail the free trial of Adobe After Effects. So that's all for today's video. If you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.